Back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make use of your gift box. In the last video which I dropped in this channel, I explained and I showed you the various steps to undertake for exchanging your magic stones with other miners. So in this video I'm going to simply show you how to make use of your gift box, which is almost the same with that of gift cards while we were mining core. All right, so now before we dive into the process, let me just show you the core interface, the OEX interface, that is from the Satoshi app. So guys, this is my Satoshi app, and here you see that we have hash cards and we have gift card. So this gift card, when you click on it, you see different types of gift card which is given to me. Now in the case of this gift card, when you exchange, your hash rate will be increased by 1k and the person's hash rate will be increased by 30k. Now, but in the case of Avive, let us go back to our Avive app. Now this is my Avive mining dashboard, so I will click on tools. So when I click on tools, I will click on the gift box here. Now this is the gift box. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, we'll have different gift boxes. These gift boxes are the same with the case of a Satoshi, where we have the gift card, just as I've shown you before now, and as you can see it on this screen. So guys, we move to our Avive mining app. Now what is the essence of exchanging this gift box? Just as I have explained in my previous video about the magic stone. When you exchange, this is the magic stone. When you exchange the magic stone or the gift box, it helps to increase your my soul power. So guys, for the case of this gift box, which is our topic of discussion in this video, it will increase once you exchange it your soul power. For instance, this first one, it will increase your soul power by 2,000 and increase this person's soul power by 50,000. Now what does this mean? What it means is that the more you exchange this soul power, the more your own soul power will increase. Now this is your soul power here. This is it. As you can see, I have 683,700 soul power. So what it means is that once I exchange this gift box, this 2,000 value will be added up to that my soul power, and it will help to increase my mining session, while the person who I exchange this code with will get 50,000. Now it is expected that everyone, whenever you register a new member, you share your gift card with a person, and one person, two miners cannot exchange a gift card more than once. So you can only exchange gift card with a fellow miner just once. So whoever that you refer, or whoever that comes to register for Avive mining via your link, immediately after the person successfully registers, you share the gift code with the person, and it will help the person to increase his mining rate and also increase yours. Now, how do we share this gift box? What you need to do is you simply click on this button. Okay, just the same way we did for the magic stone in the previous video which I dropped in this channel. When you click on it, you see it says copy success. So you share the code with the person who registers, and when the person wants to you make use of this code, the person will just come to this dashboard here, okay, to this section here. Then in that person's case, you will see an option here, okay, an option here that says use gift box. Okay, why you are not seeing it here is because I have used it before and I can only use it once. The same applies to every other miner. Okay, so when you see that use gift box here, then you click on the button. Then this code which you share with the person, that is this code, the person will copy this code and will insert it in that box. And once the person inserts it in that box, he will just click on the execute option or on the confirm section. Okay, so that this code will be used. Or whichever one that you copy and send to the person. So guys, as you can see here, you can feel free while watching this video, you can pause this video and copy any of these gift boxes here. I'm also going to drop it in the description below. I'm going to drop a lot of gift box which I have. I'm going to drop it so that you copy it and you paste it. If you cannot copy it, you can just type it. The values are the alphabets and the figures here are very small, so feel free to copy any of these codes as you can see it on this screen. Feel free to copy it and make use of it. Okay, we have a lot of them. Feel free to copy, feel free to make use of it, so that it will help to increase your mining rate. You can pause this video while you type in this text in your Avive mining app. It is free. So guys, I'm also going to drop my WhatsApp group in the description below, so that if you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can click on the link and you join my WhatsApp group. And that in that WhatsApp group, I will also sometimes I give a room for exchange of gift boxes. Okay, guys. So, but feel free to make use of these boxes, this gift box, the ones you see and there's on this screen. Okay, these different codes. Okay, feel free to copy it, type it in, and make use of it. It will help you and it will help your mining session. Okay, now after you have registered, feel free to share your links. Feel free to share your links with those who you feel your friends, your family members, to join in the mining. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to join, or rather, if you want to increase your mining rate, if you want to help your fellow by sharing your links to them to register, you simply click on the boost option here. Now, this is the boost option. When you click on it, you see this referral link. Here, you copy it. This is your referral link, and this is your invitation. Sorry, this is your invitation code. You can copy it, you share it with your friends. Once they have registered, you exchange your gift cards or your gift box with them so that they'll make use of to increase their mining session. So, guys, thank you for being with me to the end of this video. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. Do well to support this channel by subscribing and hitting on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on this channel, you get notified. Feel free to join my WhatsApp group. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. If you have any question, do well to drop your question at the comment section, and I will respond to your questions. If there is any other video you want me to create on this channel, feel free to drop the title of the video and I'm going to create it and I'm going to drop it in this channel. So guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.